good morning. Good morning. Oh, yeah. Oh, very good. That's a good seed. Good morning. Oh, what are you doing? Hey, who's that guy? Oh, hey. Oh, good morning. Good morning. Oh, good morning. We're the bird, right?
Oh, good morning, Harry.
Good morning, Tilly. Oh, wow, just went for the good stuff this time. Oh, I'm gonna bring this right back to my tree, and I'm gonna pet the hell out of that tree. I have so much energy now. This is good stuff. It's I'm gonna hit it all before everybody else stops. I'm sorry.
1 seed for me, 2 seeds for me, 3. Ah! Hey, this is Muffin. You beat it. You beat it. Yeah, you beat it. You beat it. You beat it. Mine.
Oh, wow, this is the good stuff. They put the good stuff on. I think it's the spicy stuff. So, hey, who's that guy? Hey, get that guy out of here. Who's that? Hey, get out of here, guy. Hey, this is, like I said, in the space.
Ha ha ha! I got it all to myself. Ah! Hey, I get out of here. Wow! Be back, curses!
Mine.
Hey, you know that guy back there? I don't know that guy back there. You know that guy back there? Yeah, the guy in the yellow? Yeah, I don't know. He's been there for a while. As long as he stays there. Oh, ignore him. Just ignore him. Act like he's not there. Ignore him. Just do it. What was I doing? I was doing something. What was it? Was it groceries? No. What was it?
This one.
Thank you. Hanging tough. Oh, God, Chester, don't look now. Earl's coming. Oh, God, I can't stand that guy. He's such a dick. Oh, God. So unnecessary!